This three specimen here is found in a clip, and this is containing microscopic gold and other sulfide, which is confirmed to my 48 times zooming magnifying glass. So what we're going to do here is to extract the microscopic gold and other sulfide and recover gold. And gold extraction from sulfide ore required special effort. Today we got some new technology, and there is no doubt we're a lot better off, but sulfide ore still required a lot of extra treatment and handling to extract their value. So we need effort here. Next thing we're gonna do here is to roast the ore and crushing, panning, but for a shorter video we skip that process and we directly proceed to gold extraction. After roasting, crushing, and panning, this is our collected microscopic gold and other sulfides, minerals, pyrites, etc. So let's zoom in. And 5 times zooming, as you can see here. We use a pointer here. Lots of this is the point of pencil, and this is exactly we can't control that. This is exactly here. Here is a tiny microscopic gold, and here also, here lots of microscopic gold, but mostly sulfide. And here also beautiful. We're trying to ball the but blurry. So what we're going to the next here is to dissolve the sulfide mineral to release the gold. But warning, and this is chemical involved chemical, and PPE is required, or protective personal protective equipments is required here, like gloves, goggles, and respiratory masks and fume hoods. So let's proceed. And if you are new of our channel, please subscribe and like our video. Thank you very much. Continue working here. This is our dried material here, as you can see, and 98% sulfuric acid and our beaker. So we add our material here. And we pour hot distilled water. Take note for your safety. Please wear protective equipment. So we pour in. And then stir. And then soak it for a couple hours. Do not heat first, so that the sulfuric acid break down the sulfide mineral and release the gold. Quick update after 12 hours. As you can see, maybe some iron here are dissolved. The solution turning into greenish yellow. Sulfuric acid at low concentration isn't dissolved the gold, even the high concentration. That be sure to dilute with water to break down exactly properly the sulfide and release the gold. Sulfuric acid doesn't dissolve the gold, only pyrite and other soluble mineral in sulfuric acid. After 24 hours of soaking with sulfuric acid, we'll heat the solution to continue reaction. Allowing here to cool down, and we decant this liquid and we add more. Repeat this process until uh, the material is looking nice. Second boiling of sulfuric. After cooling down our work here, we decant our solution. And then pour distilled water for washing. Sulfuric acid is soluble, highly soluble in water. So if we wash repeated here, then all the sulfuric has been removed. Allow to settle down a little bit, some floating of our material. Okay, add more water. Add more again, multiple times. Allow to settle down. This is quickly settle down. That is our material look like here. Hard to detect, but we and that is exactly look like. So we continue washing here. So after multiple rinses of distilled water, this is our result, and as you can see, clean water. So we decant this one. This is exactly how to extract gold from stone. So we pour water here. And this is our mercury metal. Let's try to alloy here if we can get the gold. We steer if, let's see, or if we can get the gold from our work here. After mixing our mercury to our material, it's time to transfer to our pan here so that we can collect our mercury easily. Wow. We can collect all raw materials. Some are not captured to mercury, but I'm sure we capture the gold release from our work. Okay, that is our material look like. There are some tiny mercury here, and we need to bring it down. So that is our mercury, and we use a syringe here to collect our mercury. And here there is a cotton, and we transfer here. Okay, we are now collected our mercury here. Awesome. And we put the lock here. So okay, we are ready for squeeze. Okay, done transfer. So we put water here. Okay, here we go. Push. Okay, the mercury has been released slowly, my friend. Yep, yeah, bye. And the next is water. Very clean mercury. Nice. That is our remaining material. Awesome. So we keep our mercury here so that we can use it back soon. Okay. And that is our material here. Okay, we assemble our retort here. Okay, ready, set, go. We remove this one, bad boy. And we push this one as much as we can. Yeah, Okay. Then, as you can see here, this process is to remove the mercury from the gold. We don't dissolve it into nitric acid because we know we we don't want to smell the mercury. So that is exactly look like we fire here with our butane, and the evaporation of the mercury has go down and submerged to the water, so we don't worry about the mercury. So let's start. So we are allowing here maybe 20 minutes to 25 minutes. After 5 minutes, our metal is too hot and red, and 20 minutes is very long, and we need 10 minutes here. I'm sure all the mercury has expelled, including the cotton is burned. So increasing the fire heat. Okay, that's enough, and we are allowing here to cool down a little bit. After 30 minutes of cooling down, okay, so we remove this one to our okay. The beaker has contained few amounts of mercury, and I think our work is effective. So let's remove this one. We don't have gloves, but it's okay. Wow, and that is our tiny yellow one. My goodness, not bad. So this one is a cotton that I used for filter, and nothing more here. So I think our work is effective. So let's melt this one. And this is our melting dish crucible, bad boy. What a nice little one, just like a man. Okay, my goodness. Okay. That's very lucky. We find this one again. Noni. Let's fire. continue melting because our butane gas isn't enough to completely melt the gold if we melt taking longer. So we use matas. My goodness, very small but awesome. Tiny bottom, but I think our work is expected. Nice one. Nice one, baby. Yeah. Tiny button, maybe 0.3. Our scale has low battery, and we don't expect much gold of our sulfidic mineral. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.